Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I will be sharing 2 DIY makeovers. I am also participating in a collaboration with 3 of my YouTube sisters, and they will be sharing more DIY makeovers. So when you're done watching my channel, please head over to their channels and see what they have in store for you. We all bring something different to the table, and I know you won't be disappointed. Now, in one of my latest videos, I shared this white Ottoman. And so someone had asked if I could share how I painted the Ottoman. And so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to take you through all of the steps. And then I have a few more details that I will be adding to the Ottoman. Now the brown is the before, and then the white is the after. And I just used a regular latex paint. Now, let me just make this disclaimer, and that is the Ottomans, the way I'm going to use them is not going to be for everyday use, and they will not be used to, place your feet upon. So I won't have to worry about the material being scratched. So I just wanted to put that out there in case you want to do something like this. I wouldn't use this method on something that you're going to use every day and that may have lots of harsh handling. And then at a later date, if I decide that I want to use these for to rest my feet upon, then I probably would slip cover them with fabric. But for the use that I'm going for, the paint will do just fine. And so here are the nail heads that I will be using for the Ottoman. They are in a pretty antique brass, and I think they'll look really nice against the ivory paint color. So I'm going to place the Ottoman on its side, and I'm going to paint all 4 sides, and then I'm going to come back and paint the top. Okay guys, so here's another item that I'll be doing a makeover on. I picked up a small little table from Goodwill, and it has this beautiful marble top, and the rim is in a metal, and so the legs in the wood color is just a little dark for my taste, so I think I'm going to paint it out. And so I'm going to share with you how it looks once I change the color of the base here and the legs, and then I'll determine whether or not I'll paint not paint, but put a little rub and buff on the metal part here, or if I'll just keep it the same. I love the marble. I think it's really pretty, and so I think a lighter base and legs will look pretty with that marble top. So let's go ahead and start on the Ottoman. I just have some regular household paint. I get my paint from Home Depot, and this is the Bear paint. And I just have Home Depot do a color match from one of Sherwin-Williams colors, and the color is called Stucco. And so I will be using this small foam roller that I got from Home Depot, and I just like the smaller roller, the smaller size, because I think it's easier to manage. So the one thing that I like about the sponge roller, you can use the tip of it and get down in the crevices and then just roll back over it. Okay, so this is the second coat. Next, we'll put on the nail heads and then the feet. So I'm going to be adding nail heads to the base of this ottoman. And so what you're going to need is obviously some nail heads. Now you can get them in a box like this, or you can get them on a strip. You can order the strip from Amazon. You will need a spacer or some type of a ruler or measuring tape. You'll need a pencil and a mallet. And then I will also be adding feet to the bottom. And so I picked up some feet from Hobby Lobby and painted them in a gray color. And then I'm going to adhere those with some E6000. So you're going to want to start out by placing your first nail head in the corner and use a mallet to knock it in. Okay, so once your first nail is in, then you can go to the next measurement and place a mark for your second, and then just follow that same pattern until you're done. Okay, so my husband is pretty much eyeballing the placement of the nail heads, but you can use a tool like this that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. It's called a space set tool. Now let's get the feet painted so we can put them in their place. Okay guys, so I think they turned out really nice. Now let me go ahead and share how the other one turned out, and then I'll style them both for you. Okay, and this is how the little table turned out. Now we can get both pieces styled. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoy seeing my 2 DIY makeovers, and please don't forget to stop by the other channels and see what the other ladies have in store.